Thai 7239er cleared for pushback.
Capeville ground, Lufthansa 5418, taxi to the gates. Lufthansa 5418, requesting taxi to the gates. Capeville ground, Qantas 6089er ready to taxi.
Thai 7239er taxi to runway 17 left.
Capeville ground, Austral 7270, requesting taxi to the gates.
Capital Tower, Japan Air 3006, request to cross runway.
Capeville Tower, Lufthansa 5418, request to cross runway. Capeville clearance, Austrian 7885, ready for pushback at Bravo 4.
Capeville Tower, good afternoon. Lufthansa 1242 is on approach.
Thai 7239er continue taxi.
Capeville Tower, Qantas 6089er ready for takeoff runway 17 left.
Capeville Tower, good afternoon. Emirates 9 left 42 is on approach.
Capeville Tower, good afternoon. Saudia 7282 is on approach. Cap 7282, cleared to land runway 17 right.
Thai 7239er cleared for takeoff runway 17 left.